Ever held in a sneeze? You might be risking your life without even knowing it. Doctors have recorded cases where a single suppressed sneeze ruptured blood vessels in the brain, burst an eardrum, and even damaged the throat. That harmless habit forces air pressure 20 times stronger than normal straight into your skull. In extreme cases, it's led to strokes, collapsed lungs, and yes, sudden death. So next time you feel a sneeze coming, let it out. Just cover it properly to avoid germs. Follow MythVsMedicine, because the truth can save your life.